Oh, you know, it's semangat. It's no iba. So guys, this is our SAKTIMAN. We are going with this one to YAIRIPOK, and this is Uncle Mangbawi. Yes. Okay. It's kind of funny because I dress like I dress like I am going to sit in a car, but I'm going to sit here, which is not a problem for us, right? Actually, he doesn't understand. And this is my brother shangpu. So shangpu got the house well. I'm going now.
So he's I'm the SAKTIMAN.
So guys, I am inside. Oh, I'm inside the SAKTIMAN, and I throw my phone for the last time. Hả? Vâng ạ. Ông mi. 네.
hả? 네.
그 좋다 이러고 나왔을라.
Có tao ngon thật bự được không? Thôi thì nó có không bán hết được không?
Okay. Shangpu.
Đấy.
Okay. Ooh, way to YAIRIPOK. Here's our shangpu. There's two socks here. Tinggal limpahin. It's shaking like anything. Guys, we nearly reached YAIRIPOK. YAIRIPOK Bazaar. Since it's Sunday, there are only a few people here, and I'm going straight to find out what is wrong with my phone, and then I have lots of stuff to buy, so I'm going. So guys, we just bought all the we just bought socks and undies for me and my sisters, and we are on our way to buy other stuff. So this is a bazaar. I'm going to parlor to do my eyebrow. Hello, hello. Rena, mama, mata na yung sanoba. Oh, chato, ubra, ubra. Is no easy. Mandi papa malene, mandi uncle malene. Hello.
Is you.
Oh, you know, is mga is no iba. I just had a cup of coffee and a plate of aloo chop. This is just a simple hotel, a hotel in YAIRIPOK.
2 hours later.
Auntie, Auntie siya halagi se. Oh, money. Already Yarni kaya tarenti. Samatara ko. Oh, yari. Hey, Mangbawi, hello. So guys, I have finished everything. My phone is back. Like they put all these things that is working. I spent 1,800 on my phone. That is worth it. And I'm gonna sit in the auto. This is my seat. I'm gonna sit here because it's full, and this is the last auto to my village. This is the whole environment of YAIRIPOK Bazaar right now. Let me just show you. So everybody is busy buying, selling, and then it's currently around 5:20. So this is our driver, and I'm going home right now. It was a long day, but it was worth it. Guys, I am relieved. Everything is safe with my phone, and thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.